much and not getting the quality you deserve? Do your models look sad and cry out for colour? Then look no further, because here at Outback Mini Models we use and recommend SMS paints, tools and accessories for the modeler by the modeler. Click the link below to order online or find a stockist near you. SMS, the Scale Modeler Supply, Australia's #1 scale model paint.
Hey fellas, got another video, unboxing video I should say, and it's a 1/100 scale kit by Zvezda. Okay, so I think these are a gaming piece for the game of Art of Tactic. Okay, so that's the website there, artoftactic.ru. So the box art, it's gonna be familiar to you if you from the 35th scale stuff. It's the same box art for their Tiger with the Henschel turret. All right, so it says snap fit, no glue required. So, but yeah, we're going to get into that once we have a look inside the kit. And on the back of the box, it's basically showing you what it looks like when it's assembled and how many parts it has. It's 10.3 centimeters long and it has 28 pieces. Okay, so you're not going to be bombarded with 1,000 pieces like some of these big kits we build. So we're going to have a look inside the box. So we're just going to cut open their security tape. Okay, so there you go, cut that open, fold, flip the side open. All right, and first thing you notice is there's no photo etch or there's no decals. Okay, so I forgot to say it in the last few videos, so I've got to try and say it in these ones now because it's just happening more and more every time I look at these bags. So the instructions are in Russian, English and German. All right, and the kit number is 6204. Right, and the back page is just the instructions. Okay, there's a couple little tiny bits you got to cut out, but they're not real tiny and delicate. Okay, not like some of the stuff we normally build. Because they're game pieces, they've got to be fairly robust, I think, and just not be too delicate. But you can see it's really easy to build. I mean, you could probably build this in an hour if you really, if you really took your time. Hour and a half at most. Okay, so that's the instructions, and the kit itself comes in one little sealed plastic bag. All right, so we're going to cut this open and have a squeeze. 2 sprues, and that's it. No decals, like I said, no decals, no photo etch. Okay, so all right, so we're going to look at this one. All right, so the side. These are your snap fit frame. Okay, this is the the top of the upper hole. Got spare tracks to go on the side. See, that's what I mean. It's very simplified, where it's just meant to be cut out and pushed in. Okay, but you can still put, if you really want to, like you can really just get some of these paint sticks, cut the part out. And when you obviously cut the piece out first, and you can hold these out to paint it, and then when it comes time to put on the vehicle, just run a bit of glue down I'd say it's going down the side here. Where's the side of the vehicle? It's on the turret here. Okay, but we'll get to that in a second. So there's your spare tracks. These are, looks like, what do we got here? There's your barrel. All right, there's your barrel, but there's no hole on the end, so you have to carefully cut the sprue gate off there and drill inwards, like carefully drill the muzzle out. And we've got the back plate here with the exhaust already assembled. We've got the blocks, clamps. One thing I haven't noticed is I haven't seen the jack. All right, so whether they don't give you a jack. There's the front mounted machine gun. All right, and the ball mounted machine gun. It's already in there. It's just one piece. You just cut that off and glue it in. So these are the running gear. The suspension, the swing arms, it's all one piece. All right, it's nice. And this is the other sprue. Okay, these sprues aren't 2016, so they're not that old. I mean, some people might say, okay, come on, Clem, it's 2021. It's 5 years old, but 5 years isn't really old when it comes to for a model kit. That's what I believe anyway. But the side, you can see that the tracks, the track section here, tracks, wheels, drive sprockets, and idler wheels. It's all one piece. Okay, that's cool. Like, you don't have to. But you see that there's a lot of cleanup with these tracks too. So you just got to basically carefully just get your hobby knife and just either clean it or you just leave it and cover it with mud. It all depends on how you're going to model this thing, whether it's just a game piece and you don't care, or you're going to actually really take your time and put on a vignette or something like that, tight, nice little base and display it that way. But yeah, you got the fenders here on the side. We've got all the cable details. Okay, you can see that there's a cable detail and the lower hole, and here's a turret. So there's the bottom of the turret. So you see some locating nubs there, or pins, or little holes so other pieces go in. And there's the top. So we've got the vision holes. We've got the cupola shut. We've got a loading hatch on the rear. Okay, so there's no grab handle detail. I mean, if you really want it, you can sand it back and get some really fine wire and bend it in there. I mean, you can really go to town this if you really want to, but yeah, so let's have a look. But that's it, I think. There's really not much more detail than this, guys. So thought I'd give you a little sneaky look in the box. So as always, guys, don't forget to like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to leave a comment. You're always free to do so. If you're new here to Outback, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so when we do put out new videos to show you guys, you'll be the first to know. So thanks for stopping by, guys. Really appreciate it, and I will catch you next time here at Outback Mini Models. So it's Clem signing off. Bye bye.